Want better finance terms? By structuring the deal differently, possibly this could be achieved. So here's a few examples of ways in which you can restructure the deal to achieve better finance terms from the lender. So firstly, can you put more money down? Have you got more cash available? Put down a bigger deposit, therefore lowering the loan to value, and the lender typically will lower the interest rate. Secondly, around if you've not got the deposit, have you got other assets you can add into the property? So if you've got other property you own, which is at a relatively low loan to value position, you could put that into the deal. So therefore the lender has got maybe a couple of assets they can spread the borrowing across. Overall, lowering the loan to value, which typically then can lower the rate. Thirdly, experience. So let's say, for example, that you personally have not got the experience and what you're trying to do with the deal itself involves quite a lot of work. Can you add anyone onto the transaction with you that maybe has got experience? So therefore, when a lender's lending, they can see they're lending to possibly two individuals. Okay, one of them has not got the experience, but one of the individuals has the experience. That can certainly help with some lenders. And finally, in relation to the works that you're going to do to the property, is it possible to develop the property and make changes that do not need planning permission? Can you maximize the changes and they fall under permitted development rather than needing to go into a full planning application process, which can take time and obviously a lot of delays could be involved. Yeah, maybe look at that option of what you can and can't do under permitted development. So hopefully that helps give you an indication there of things you can make, changes you can make to your application to get better finance terms.